Meghalaya is celebrating its 51st Statehood Day today. An official function to celebrate the occasion was held at State Central Library in Shillong. Speaking on the occasion, the Governor of Meghalaya, Brigadier B.D. Mishra, said Shillong has been an important centre for education in Northeast and government has initiated the upgradation of elementary, secondary and higher secondary schools throughout the state. The Governor also said efforts are on to upgrade and build roads and different districts of the state. Governor also handed over Meghalaya Day Award 2023 on the occasion. Sweetie Monrinja was awarded with Uti Rot Singh Award for Arts and Literature, while Dr. Jennifer Basayamut was awarded Ba Togan Sangma Award for Social Services and Klingson D. Marak was awarded Ukyang Nangba Award for Sports and Games. President Draupadi Murmu has also attended her greetings on the Statehood Day of Manipur, Meghalaya and Tripura.
The state capital of Meghalaya has always been an important center for education in Northeast. In an effort to give effective impetus to the education sector, we have initiated the upgradation of elementary, secondary and higher secondary schools throughout the state.